Hi everybody, and welcome to my channel, Hallelujah Creations. And I just wanted to share a few of the journal books, junk journals, whatever you want to call them. There's a lot of different names for them. But this was my first one that I ever created, and I call it my prayer journal. So this was just made out of envelopes and some I think this was like a wallpaper or designer paper. I made it a while back, so I really don't remember all the details. And so as you open, I just share a couple of things that I did. I'm not really completely finished with it yet, but I just want to share some of the things that I did and things that I made, tags and things like that I made to go in it. These are so much fun to make, and they were just made out of the big envelopes. Looks like I need to glue that. And just have some tuck spots for different things, and my monthly calendar that I keep track of things I put right in there. And then these are just things that people have given me throughout this year. I was sent this by my friend Bev, and some lady had made it. I thought it was really cute, so I stuck it in there. And then someone else had made this little crocheted cross, and it's just did some like embossing. And again, it's not completely done. And then this I had velcroed, and then I have a place for journaling here. These little magnets I got at Dollar Tree that I thought was really cute. And then another thing that I found that I just used for journaling, another tag, and another one of these little guys. They're so cute. And then just decorated the pages. I did the butterfly cut die. These are just memories of my son when he came to visit, and another little magnet. And this was just an envelope, a decorative envelope, and I hide some stuff in here, a pocket to hide things. And just some different designs. Another tea-dyed, coffee-dyed papers I used. And that's really it. Now, I probably made it a little too big being envelopes, because it didn't work out too good in the spine area. But it was my first one I did with envelopes. I thought it turned out really cute, but I wanted to share that. And then I put this like twine or whatever you call it on here, so it just ties. Okay, there's one. Now the next one I did, and I'm actually made that out of, let me find it. Anybody that shops at Trader Joe's, this was just a paper bag, their grocery bag that they give out. And I thought, that would make a cute vintage, like a traveler's journal. So I cut it out and made a little spine, added some papers and different things that I did. There's some washi tape. Sewed this on, made the envelope for a couple tuck spots. And I think there's 12 pages altogether. But this would be really cute for like a traveler's notebook because of the design, him looking, and the old-fashioned buggy, whatever you want to call it. And let me see. It's not finished yet. But this was just the first signature. And there could be another one that I could also put in here. I have room for another one, and I may do that. Like I said, it's not finished. But I did take a strip of just the cardboard, and I sewed the signatures on that, and then I just glued it in here. So you can't see the stitches from here, which is fine with me. I thought I would give that a shot and see how that worked out. So it still has some work to be done to it, and maybe I'll work on that on the camera. I'm not sure. I just wanted to share some of the books that I've been making, and none of them are completely finished because I keep wanting to make another one before I finish one. I don't know why. I get an idea and then I want to do it. I got these little, this book belongs to cards at a garage sale, and I thought they were really cute to be able to stick in here. This book cover is made out of just decorative paper, which I had never seen before, and the lady was having a sale, a garage sale, and she sold me a bunch of this paper, so I thought I would try making a book cover with it, and it's sturdy enough and thick enough to do it, so it turned out good. So I think this book only has 6 or 7 pages in it as well. Here you can see I just started adding some stuff, and again, it's not completely finished. I did some sewing on the edges with the ribbon, and what's good about this book, I didn't sew the signatures in. I just used some stretchy, what do you call it, that stretchy elastic, you know, thread, not thread, like elastic band. And so that way you can, when you're done with this, you can actually remove it and put this in a different book for that year or whatever you're using it for, and create a whole nother book of something different if you like. So it makes it very versatile and reusable, actually. I did do 2 signatures in here. I think there's 6 pages each. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 5 or 6 pages. And I did some, again, like I said, it's not finished, but I just wanted to give you the idea that if you just put these signatures in like this, you can always take them out and repurpose the book cover. And then I just tied these off and put a ribbon around. So these make really cute, quick gifts, not as in depth as a big, huge junk journal, but they're, you know, less time consuming and pretty easy to make with just covers. So that's the other one. And I think I'm going to cut it short on this one and say I hope you enjoyed these, and hopefully it will inspire you and give you some ideas on how you can make your own journals. Alright, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to get my videos and see what I'm up to. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.